Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is July the 20th, 2018, and I wanted to show you the funky pink begonia here that I started from seed. This is the one of the ones I had started indoors. And whoops, I wanted to show you here how much it's blooming. Now this gets partial sun, and I did try some actually out in full sun, and I prefer them in partial sun. It's growing much better in the partial sun than what the ones out in full sun are doing. They're struggling, and they're just really not doing good at all. So I just wanted to give you this quick video update here. I really like the flowers. I like the way that they're shaped. I like how much it blooms. It's been blooming for a long time now. It's just covered with pink blooms. One thing I do is I keep picking the seed pods off. But I just wanted to show you this here. It's a lovely pink color. It's definitely more pink than what it was indoors. Indoors it was kind of like a pale color. I wasn't quite sure how I was going to like it. But I gave it a chance outside, and I'm really glad that I did. And this is just, there's like there's just masses of blooms on this thing. And I'm really impressed with it. So I just wanted to show you this and give you a quick update on this. And now this is in a hanging basket. I do have one that's growing on the porch. Hold on a moment here. I do have one that's growing down here. This is in a square, one of the window boxes. It gets more sunlight than the other one does. But honestly, I like growing them better under the porch. It definitely seems to grow and bloom better. So, this one here came off of my hand. I will not probably be putting these out in these kind of containers again. I have another one over here. Now this one here gets more shade than the one that's growing in the window box over there. And it seems to be doing pretty good. We've got a little bit where it's kind of not. Right in through here. I'll have to check that out and see what's going on with that. So, just wanted to show you this and give my review of what I think of the funky pink tuberous begonia. So, if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.